So I have these blueberry bushes and they need to go into the ground. So I decided to build out this blueberry barricade, especially to keep my livestock guardian dog out. I picked a spot at the fence where I can chat with my neighbor. You saw her there. We can hang out, eat blueberries, and dish. So I built the stones up to create the barricade. I went with 2 levels because I thought that was going to be sufficient, but I was wrong. As you can see, it is super windy and limbs were falling left and right. So I took the opportunity and I picked them up and I half filled the bed using the hugelkultur method. Put some cardboard down, let the babies stomp around on it, kind of flatten it out and fill the space. You can see everybody's joining me. Put the root ball in. It was not deep enough, so I added another layer of stones. I used compost, soil. You see the baby knocked over the camera. Everybody has to be involved, of course. Once I had them in, packed in tight, I gave it a thorough watering, kind of helped the new root system. I just love how those stones look. I think the antiquated look is sort of English cottage garden. I added some coffee grounds because blueberries love acidification. So I put them around the base of the plant and put a little more compost and potting soil on top of it. And then I'm going to come in with my favorite mulch, which is easy straw with tack. I think it looks really good. Hopefully they'll form a hedge and my neighbor and I will be able to sit there and snack and talk about our day.